Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Hi beginners. Arranging a plastic cover is always a mess. So today we're gonna see DIY organizers to keep plastic covers in order. Before going into this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. If you find this video useful, share it with your friends. The things we need for this are an old pant, a fabric glue, a scissors, an elastic, and a safety pin. Now take the old pant. I prefer jean. You can take as you wish. It's optional. Now take the one leg of the pant and cut it to your desired length. I've cut the pant. Now take the edge of the pant. Can you see some stitches? We're gonna remove 2 to 3 stitches to create a small gap. I've created a small gap. Now I'm gonna insert the elastic through the edge of the gap. I have tied a knot. Now let's insert and glue it. Now take the other edge of the pant. Apply some glue. And fold it inside. I have stuck the edges so that it could look neat. Now take the left pant, cut this for the hanger. I have cut the part. Now I'm gonna remove these stitches. I have removed the one edge of the cloth. Now I'm gonna fold it in both sides so that it looks like a strap. I have stuck it. See? Now it looks like a strap. I have stuck it and I have also given a knot so that it stays strong. Whenever I get a cover, I'll put it in upside, and whenever I need it, I'll take from here. Hope you like it. Bye guys.